Hello guys and welcome to Laravel 7 tutorial. So guys, in this video we are going to discuss about how can we send password reset or forget password email in Laravel 7. Basically the procedure is really simple, and with the help of 3 to 4 changes we can simply send a forget password email. Okay, so since we are working in a local environment, I'm going to use a fake SMTP server that we can send email to. But if you are working on a live environment, you can follow the same procedure and you can send email to Yahoo, Hotmail, Gmail, any account basically. But if you are using a Gmail account to send an email, what you have to do basically, specifically with the Gmail, you have to enable two-step verification for the email you are using to send emails to other user. So let's start, and I will move to git bash, and here I'm going to access my project directory cdc xam htdocs, and project name was auth1 right here. And let's run our project php artisan server. Okay, it is up and running. Let's refresh. Yes, it is. Now I will move to login. Basically, let's register a new user first, and let's create a new user basically. And let's say first name would be Tausif, my name, and let's say company is learning Laravel, and email would be all about Laravel, and password would be, let's say, 1234. That's it. Basically we don't put a password like that, but it is just for a demo purpose. So we are logged in live right here. Basically we have successfully registered our user right here. Okay, now I am going to log out, and now I will move to login. And let's say I forgot my password. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to hit this link, forget password, basically forgot password. And right here, I'm going to apply my email and click on this button to send me a reset, basically password reset link. Okay. So first what we have to do, basically we have to configure our fake SMTP server setting, or you can say SMTP settings. So what I'm going to do, I will move to Sublime right here, and in the env file, and right here in the mail setting, you can see it is already configured SMTP, and host is smtp.mailtrap.io. so we are going to use the mailtrap.io to send an email. And I will move to Google. Let's search mailtrap right here, and first link, and let's say I want to sign up. Okay, I'm going to use a Google account, simple. And let's say I want to use all about Laravel account, and simply I can do that. And now I will move to demo inbox basically to get the SMTP setting, because we are going to send email to this mailtrap.io. Basically it's a fake mail server, and I'm going to copy the username from right here. Just copy it, move to env mail username, paste it right here. That's it. And let's copy the password from right here. Basically you are not going to share your password with anyone, but this video is for basically learning purpose, so I'm sharing my password right here. Okay, and let's replace mail password with this one. Now we need a mail from which we are going to send an email to other user, basically our website email you can say. And in this case I'm going to put my another email. I want to send email with this email. Okay, and it is configured. Now what we have to do, basically we have made some changes in the configuration environment. So what we have to do, we have to clear our cache. I will move to git bash. I will stop it, Control C, and now let's clear our cache. Basically configuration cache first, config cache. That's it. Okay, so our configuration cache is cleared. Now I will type php artisan conf, basically cache clear, sorry, right here, to clear our browser cache as well. And now I will run my project php artisan server. Okay, so our server is up and running. I will refresh right here, Mm, okay. So I will pass my email address right here, all about Laravel, and let's say send password reset link and click it. And basically it takes up to 5 seconds, but my PC is slow. Sorry guys, I'm going to change it anyway. So it will take some time. Okay, so here you can see the page is refreshed now, but we didn't receive any status that it has sent some password reset link, etc. So let's first configure that, but let me show you that we have successfully received email right here. You can see to email all about Laravel at gmail.com right here. You can see from the address, I just put it right here in the env file. Okay, and here is the address. Okay, the other address basically to which we are sending an email. Okay, so let's configure a status right here. Basically we changed basically in the previous video I implemented my custom pages in Laravel Auth. So I need to make a change. If you were following me, you also should. And I will move to new forget password. Right here I have to put something right here from password email, basically this one, and right here we need to copy the status to see the status, and I will move to new forget password right here, and let's print it right here. Okay, to see some status message basically. And now let's refresh once again, and I'm going to delete this email. You can basically reset your password link with this email as well, but let's configure this one as well. Okay guys, so let's try another one, all about Laravel at gmail.com, send password reset link, and let's see what happens. Okay guys, so here you can see we have a status message. Basically we have emailed you password reset link right here. Let's see, and you can see we have a new email a few seconds ago. And if let's say now if I try this link to change my password, it won't work, because every email, basically when we click this link right here, it generated a new token for us. So it is not going to work if you have multiple links or multiple emails. Okay, so I'm just going to delete it. Yes, confirm, and let's try with this one. And here you can use, basically this is the Laravel page, you can configure it as well. And let's say if I click this button, and basically we have two options. If this button doesn't work, we can also click this link, or basically to debug our link we can also use this link. Okay, so I'm just going to click reset password, and here let's see what we have. Okay, so now you can see we have a reset page, basically password reset page, and let's say 1 2, and I'm following the same. That's it. Let's say reset password, and now we have a success message. Basically your password has been reset. Let's try this. Let's try a new password basically. And email was all about Laravel, and the new password was this one. Let's try to log in, and right here you can see, so it is working successfully. Now let's say if you want to change the layout of this page like we did for a forget password or login page or register page, you can do this, basically change this page as well. Let me give you some hints, and if you are having any trouble, all you have to do is follow my video, and you just have to copy and paste the code. That's it. And let's say if you want to change this page, what you have to do, let me show you. First of all, this page is right here in the resources, views, auth, password, and right here reset. Basically it is going to send a token to us right here in the input hidden field. Okay, so we are seeing this page right here, you can see. Okay, now from where we are getting this page, let me show you. App and HTTP controllers auth right here. We already configured the forget password page basically, so in this case we will move to reset password controller, and this controller is uses resets password. So let's try this. Control P resets. Basically I'm searching for that specific page right here, the model. Okay, and right here you can see this is a method which is returning the view. Basically, let me show you resources auth password, and right here. Okay, this means the same. So if you want to change this view with your custom one, you can simply do that. But what you have to do, you have to copy the routes and the name of the fields should be same. Okay, keep that in mind. And most important thing is basically return the token. Right here what you have to do, you have to change the view and you have to pass where basically pass some parameters, or you can say the variables right here. Basically this token is returning a token, and every time we try to reset our password, basically when we click the button we are going to get a new token. So this is what is basically this token right here, we are getting it from right here. So don't forget to copy and paste this token in your new custom view. So guys, that was it from this video. I hope you guys liked the video. If you liked it, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Take care.